Infosys is hiring people for the role of junior accountant. The location they have given is Bangalore, and it is in Infosys BPM Limited Company, and they have given a job ID and reference code. The work experience needed is 0 years. Freshers can apply for this job role. The job title is junior accountant. Let's see some of the eligibilities and responsibilities and what is the process to apply for this job role. First, let's see the responsibilities. Execute day to day operational tasks, including booking of JE, fixed assets, addition or transfer, disposal, bank and balance sheet reconciliation, and other month end enclosure activities. Deliver as per agreed timelines. Adhere to SLAS. Identify and execute process improvement activities. Update SOPs are required. The preferred skills are domain, IBPO, finance and accounting, traditional account services, procure to pay accounts, payable and T&C. Your job location will be given based on the business requirements. And let me tell the other eligibility criteria. You should be done degree in any one of the finance like MBA accountancy or BCom or any related degree related to accountants. This is one of the eligibility criteria. And let me tell what are all the documents you should have while attending the interview. You should have any one of the government ID proof like Aadhaar or any other government ID proof, and you should have the updated resume. If you have cover letter, also you can keep with you. You should have all the mark sheets like 10th, 11th, 10th, 12th, and all the same sheets should have all this mark sheet, both hard copy as well as soft copy. Mostly the interview will be in the form of online, so you should have the soft copy too. Let me tell how you can apply for this job role. After clicking this apply now button, you will be redirected to this page. That this page is a Infosys career page. If you have account in Infosys career page, you can use the email ID and your password credentials to log in, and you can give your information and you can submit your registration form. Otherwise, you should create your own account. Click this register button. After that, you should give your name. Your name should be same as your Aadhaar card name, and you should give your email ID and your password. After submitting, they will be sending a verification link to email, and after that you can use the credentials to sign in, and you can give your updated resume and your experience, your skills, and all of the personal informations can be shared via to the registration form in Infosys career web page. After that, you will be receiving a mail. With the use of that mail, you can able to go with other process of your interview. All the best for your interview preparation.